Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Duolingo account that created the family plan. This is the account that controls billing. Once signed in, go directly to Settings and tap Subscription or Manage Plan on It's in your profile menu. Make sure you can access the confirmation email or payment method for verification. This prevents delays when the system asks to confirm ownership. Do this now, so you can proceed to the cancellation controls without interruption. Once in subscription, locate the Cancel Plan or End Trial button. On preview trials, it may be labeled End Trial instead. You press that control, then follow the on-screen prompts, confirm you want to cancel, and choose a reason if requested. Make sure to complete every confirmation step, otherwise the preview can auto-renew. After confirming, record the cancellation confirmation number or take a screenshot, so you have proof in case billing continues. You finish by checking your email for a cancellation confirmation and any final charge details. This confirms the preview was ended. If you do not receive confirmation or billing continues, contact Duolingo support immediately. Provide the screenshot and account ID you saved. If support delays, dispute the charge with your payment provider and include the cancellation evidence. Finally, monitor your billing statement for one billing cycle to make sure the plan did not renew, and act fast if it did.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.